space right there. It's a really small space just for the two of us, so that's perfect. That's the living room right there. Sofa. And we have a TV right there. And through the hallway, as you can see right there, this is going to be my room. Oh my goodness, look at this. Would you look at that? I really like this. It looks really nice, so cozy. We have mirror. And an open closet. Second room, that's going to be Jolene's room. This is her. And then her little closet also. And there's a door, I'm not sure where it goes, so I don't want to move my camera there. And we have the little dining table right there. And we have this little thing, this one right here. We have her. And okay, so check this out. This is a dryer and a washer at the same time. I like this. And we have the fridge. Of course, we're going to pack it up because we went shopping at Trader Joe's. We got mad things, so mad vegan things too. So this is the kitchen area. It's really small place. The bathroom. There's a bathroom right there. It's one of the showers. Check this out. Oh, here's the mirror. Get out of my way. Thank you. Alright. So overall, the whole space for the full week, it was like $400 something. Yeah, for a full week, $400 something. 2 bedrooms. It's really not that bad. It's really cute, small space, and you'll see what we do with it. Nothing. You have a pen? No, I do not. We got some cauliflower pizza crust at Trader Joe's and we're about to make it. I just wake up and now I'm about to make some scrambled eggs, which is with tofu, and get ready for the day.
So I just got done, of course, you see me having my breakfast right now. It is super good. It's even better than I expected. The cheese, I can taste it, everything.
We just got home and this is what we got at the vegan store. That's like mac and cheese. What was that again? Casserole and then drums. Well, taste it again. She gave a good reaction, so
No, it's
try it.
really good. I think it has like
Give it a reaction.
Remind me like Beyond Meat or like vegan sausages or something. I'm not sure. But it's really good.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take my word for it. It's really good.
is our last day. Well, not even last day. We're about to leave right now. We're getting everything ready. Everything is packed. So let's say our buys. Fridge is empty. Freezer is empty. I gotta do it again. She is empty. The trash is empty. Everything is nice. Is ready. But overall, you can't even see. That was my room. I try to clean it as best as possible. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. But the house was really amazing. It was just a small for 2 person who don't need much. It was a nice place. I really liked it, and I also enjoyed my experience in DC. And I'll probably come back soon. Never know. Alright, I'll see you soon.